the game object, and it looks for any public functions that are in that game object. So if I had a public function here, not attack logic, but if it was like, let's go ahead and do public audio clip swing. And then I'll make a function called public void play swing sound. We can make the animation clip call this function, and that'll just say audio source no dot play clip at point swing camera dot main dot transform dot position. So of course we can do these things in code, but every once in a while it's kind of magical to do them in an animation. So I just created this animation clip, then I can click this function drop down, and it looks at all the scripts that are on this game object, and there's a public function right here, which is play swing sound. Okay, so if I go back to my assets folder, let me find a sound effect. Let's just take blip. And on my player, I've got this blip sound effect right here. And now when he walks, he's going to play the blip sound effect at this frame every single time he plays that frame. And you might not be able to hear that because of how I'm sharing my screen, but I can assure you it is annoying. But it's playing. Every time it goes through here, it's calling that function. Oh, stop it. Stop moving. Okay, cool. Man, this critical hit thing looks pretty good. I like that. I like how that turned out. But for example, I would probably use the animator for playing the sound effects when these come in. You know, it'd be like, and it's just easier for me to do that. That's how my brain works. Okie dokie. It is 1:57.